another large shipment of shabu was discovered in Malabon this time. It's worth 1 billion pesos. May directive na po ba si President Duterte to look further into this?
Oh, it doesn't have, the doesn't have to make any instructions because the law enforcement agencies have their own responsibilities to perform. That's part of the duty.
Sir, the discovery of this large shipment of shabu continued even after the President Duterte ordered changes inside the Bureau of Customs. He also installed Jagger, si General Jagger inside to hopefully ayusin yung sistema doon para hindi na mangyaring ganito. Pero nangyari pa rin, sir, and it's worth 1 billion pesos. Hindi ba disappointed or nagalit si Pangulong Duterte dito, sir?
To my mind, what is more important is it has been discovered. Mas importante yun. Nakalusod ka, pero natuklasan ka pa rin. So, ibig sabihin, gumagana pa rin yung kanilang security, intelligence.
Pero sir, nakalusot nga po ito, sir, na nakita sa isang
Correct.
warehouse sa Malabon.
Exactly, natuklasan, nalaman, nahuli. It would be different kung napabayaan hanggang kumalat sa buong Pilipinas.
Also, sir, what does it say about the effectivity of President Duterte's drug war kung meron pa rin pong nakakalusot na ganitong kalaking shipment of shabu inside the Philippines?
Ay, nakakalusot kung nahuhuli naman, wala rin nangyari sa kanila. Di ba? Ang problema mo kung nakalusot at na-spread at hindi mo nahuli.